Pictures are important pieces of evidence that we use in car accident cases. You can use your smartphone to take these photographs. Remember to take pictures of your injuries and pictures of damage to your car and the other car involved. Photograph the scene as a whole. Take pictures of such things like skid marks, traffic control devices, speed limit signs, any other thing that you think will be relevant, take a picture of it. Photographs can be used by our accident reconstruction experts to help them determine what caused the accident or wreck. It's best to take as many pictures as you can. It's also a good idea to videotape the scene if you can. You might also want to write down or record your own statement of what you remember about the accident while your memory is still fresh. Just don't give a statement to the defense. Like and subscribe for more car wreck tips.
When life gets ugly, justice is love.